Hey guys! Welcome back to News Motorbike. For decades, Spanish manufacturer Rieju has built its reputation around lightweight off-road machines, enduro bikes, and supermoto models. Founded in 1934 in Figueres, Spain, the company has long been associated with rugged motorcycles designed for adventure and versatility. But as the global market continues to shift toward practical and lifestyle-oriented two-wheelers, Rieju is now entering a completely new arena. Meet the all-new X-Over 357, officially unveiled as Rieju's first adventure-inspired maxi-scooter. The X-Over 357 represents a major step forward for the brand. It arrives at a time when crossover scooters are becoming increasingly popular, combining the comfort and convenience of a traditional scooter with the styling and long-distance capability of an adventure motorcycle. Many enthusiasts are particularly excited to see Rieju expand beyond its off-road roots while maintaining its adventurous DNA. For a brand known for dirt-focused machines, entering the mid-size scooter segment is a bold move, and one that could attract a completely new audience. Visually, the X-Over 357 delivers a strong first impression. Sharp body lines, muscular side panels, and a tall windscreen create a modern crossover appearance that's equally suited for city streets and weekend escapes. The front end features full LED lighting with a distinctive daytime running light signature, while the cockpit is equipped with a full-color TFT display. Practicality is another key selling point, thanks to its spacious under-seat storage compartment designed to accommodate everyday essentials and touring gear. Under the bodywork sits a 329 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine producing around 30 horsepower, paired with a smooth CVT transmission. The combination of a 15-inch front wheel, a 14-inch rear wheel, and dual rear shocks with gold external reservoirs promises a balance of comfort, stability, and agility. The Rieju X-Over 357 proves that even heritage off-road brands are adapting to changing rider demands. And if early reactions are any indication, this Spanish crossover scooter could become one of the most interesting newcomers in the growing adventure scooter segment. What do you think about the X-Over 357?